This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening your image and immediately choosing how you want the line, vector or raster. Select the Line Shape tool, U for editable strokes, or pick the Pen tool, P, to create precision paths you can edit later. Set stroke color, weight, and cap style in the top bar so the line appears correctly from the first draw. Hold Shift while dragging to lock angles. This makes straight horizontal, vertical, or 30-degree increments for clean, predictable results. Once you have a basic line, refine it by switching to the Pen tool and editing anchor points. Drag handles to shape curves, or use direct selection, A, to nudge points precisely. If you want a natural brush stroke, pick a brush preset, then open Paths and choose Stroke Path to apply brush dynamics to the vector outline. Make sure to save a vector layer before rasterizing. Converting to pixels lets you use filters, but loses infinite scalability, so keep an editable copy for later tweaks. To finish, tidy your layers. Rename, group, and apply layer styles or effects to your lines, then use Transform, Ctrl+T for scale or rotation without losing proportion. Export as PNG for pixels or SVG for vector via file export so your lines remain crisp. If something goes wrong, lines look jagged or misaligned, make sure snap and guides are enabled, check that anti-aliasing is on, and confirm you didn't accidentally rasterize the wrong layer. Undo or revert to your saved vector copy to fix it quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.